In today's video, we're exploring the four most common types of nail pullers so that when your next project calls for one of them, you're going to know which one to grab. So choosing the right nail puller is important because when you need to pull a nail or multiple nails fast or efficient or clean or maybe all the above, in order to do those things correctly, you need to make sure that you're choosing the right tool. The four types of nail pullers I'm covering today is the cat's paw, the bear claw, the flat pry bar, and the end cut pliers. First, the cat's paw and the bear claw. I'm putting these together because they're very similar. These nail pullers are designed to extract nails aggressively, leaving the surface of the material damaged unless the head of the nail is already slightly out. These nail pullers are really the go-to tool for demolition and framing and any other rough, fast-paced work. As you can see, these tools look very similar. The two main differences: the bear claw has more of a 90-degree end on it, creating a flat spot to give you a larger surface area to strike with a hammer. And the bear claw is normally longer, giving you more pulling power and leverage for pulling longer nails. To use the cat's paw, you can use this end to start the nail if it's buried, and then you can switch over to the other side for more pulling power. You can use either end, it just depends on the situation. And the bear claw, it's very similar to the cat's paw, where you can drive this end into the wood and go after those nails that are buried down deep, and using the long handle to pull out your nails. Next up is going to be the flat bars, and you can see they come in various different sizes. The larger bar is great for removing nails. You can use either end, and it's also used for different types of prying, which I'll get into in another video. All flat bars are best at extracting nails that are already sticking out. And you can see here the larger bar has a rounded end on it, and it's great for rolling the nails out. It's a lot more gentle and it does a lot less damage. To use the flat bar, simply pry under the nail head, or you can use the center hole here as well, and gently and slowly pull the nail out. And last but not least, the end cut pliers. The first thing I want to say here is not all end cut pliers are great for pulling nails. Some of the end cut pliers are too sharp and actually will cut the nail before you're able to pull it. If you take a look at mine here, you can see that mine's not super sharp, and these are really good for pulling nails. And if I need to though, I can squeeze on the handle a little bit further to cut the nail off. These pliers are fantastic for finish work, and they fit right in my pouch, and that's where I keep them because I'm always using them. And to use these pliers, you simply grab the nail, squeeze, but not too hard unless you want to cut it, and slowly roll the pliers back, lifting the nail out. Now, no matter what pry bar you're using, if you're working on a finished surface or something and you don't want to have a lot of damage done to it, then you want to make sure you use a wood block between the wood itself and the pry bar. So you can see as I'm prying here that I'm actually putting all the pressure on the scrap piece of wood and not on my finished material. Well, those are the four most common types of nail pullers on the market, and as you can see, they're uniquely different, and they're really unique when it comes to each different situation on the job site. So if you want your work to turn out as you intended it to be, on time, within budget, then knowing which one of these tools to grab for is really, really important. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you very much. If you're on YouTube watching, please consider subscribing if you're not already. And if you're on our website, please consider opting in. Your voice is important to me, and I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Be well, stay safe. See you in the next one.